Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send money on PayPal as friends and family, a great way to transfer money without paying any fees. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the PayPal app. Launch the PayPal app on your smartphone, iPhone or Android. On the homepage, locate and tap the Send button at the bottom left. Step 2. Choose the recipient. Enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number linked to their PayPal account. Once selected, type in the amount of money you'd like to send. Optional, add a message or note if needed. Step 3. Select Friends and Family. Before proceeding, check the payment method. On the confirmation screen, look for the Friends and Family option. Tap to switch to Friends and Family if it's not already selected. Step 4. Review and confirm. Verify all the details, recipient information, the amount to send, payment method, Friends and Family. Tap Send at the bottom of the screen. Keynotes. The Friends and Family option is fee-free for both you and the recipient. Remember, this option doesn't include purchase protection, so only use it when sending money to people you trust. That's it, guys. You've successfully sent money using PayPal as friends and family. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next video.